So, it took a little bit of searching, but I finally found the grave of Seán Hogan. So, if anyone happens to be looking for him, turn around, come in that gate beside the yellow house, walk up, and it's right here. Commandant Seán Hogan, 3rd Tipperary Brigade, IRA, died the 24th of December 1968. So, and the Republican plot is over there, and the man that Seán Hogan ambush was involved with through those trees, and then down at the back is that police officer from the RIC. So Seán Hogan, he was one of the youngest. He was the youngest of the big four. He was also the man captured and arrested and being transported up to Dublin for possible trial and execution in that resulted in the Knocklong rescue, one of the more famous incidents of the War of Independence. I think Seán Hogan was 17 or 18 at the time of his involvement at the start of the Irish War of Independence, and he is said to have suffered fairly bad. He went with Dan Breen to New York to open a speakeasy, and then got involved in the Irish War of the Irish Civil War when he returned. But it's said that he struggled mentally and physically from the. Sorry, I'm just reading another one from his time in the War of Independence and Irish Civil War, and he was living destitute for a little while in Dublin, and eventually lived with Seamus Robinson for a number of months, until he passed away in 1968. But this is his grave.